Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Pink color, purple color, light green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, orange color, black color, violet color and red color. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C and D. Let's trace A. This is letter B. C. Now kids, write with me letter D. Kids, write with me A. This is letter B. Letter C. This is letter D. Kids, let's trace with me A. This is letter B. C. Now kids, this is letter D. Kids, write with me A. This is letter B. C. Now kids, this is letter D. We are writing A. Now we are writing B. This is letter C. Kids, this is letter D. A, B, C. This is letter D. A, B, C, D. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.